Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made over 100k off of YouTube automations. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. I also do shorts as well, also long forms. As a matter of fact, I kind of forget how to do shorts. Everyone's going to get kicked this. Everyone, yeah, you know, I'm going to show the full method, so be prepared, alright? So the first step is all you want to do is find a niche. So what niche is trending right now, and I promise you, bro, I'm putting you on. I'm putting you on. I'm not paying you to just do this shit or just, yeah, you know, just like fucking get like 5k off of this shit. No, it's none of that bullshit. All right, I'm putting you on. I'm telling you right now, I'm putting you on. So we have a niche right here that's kind of trending right now. It is Avengers right now, because the Avengers, you know, it has released a trailer, and you know, long term when Avengers comes out, you know, like until like December, I think you will be a fucking millionaire. And let me tell you why. If you do this niche right here, bro, you will absolutely fucking blow up. You will eventually just be someone else. Trust me, I haven't done this niche yet. I'm doing the dinosaur niche, so I'm really working on it. As you can see the plaque right there, that's how I got it. You know, 100k, yeah, stuff like that. I'm not showing my revenue on the long form on this. If this gets a lot of likes, then yeah, that's probably something interesting, you know. Anyways, let's get started. How you could do this niche and stuff like that, and we're just gonna get started. So the first step, all you're gonna want to do, see a video. It could be any kind of niche you want. It could be anything. It could be like bikes, bicycles, jerseys, about anything, and yeah, you'll still gain views, about like 10 views or like 60 views, as long as if you be consistent about it and you make better content about it. If you get like editing and stuff like that. The niche I'm gonna pick in is the Canadian lad. So what this is about the Marvel niche. It's about Avengers, stuff like that, superhero niche. So as you can see right here, this one's popping off already. All you want to do is you want to go over here.
Hey everyone, I'm the Canadian lad.
Share. You copy link it. Then we're gonna go to this link right here. So okay, so there you go. So once you get the transcript, all you want to do is go over here, copy link it, boom, and then you just, yeah, get transcript over here. As you can see, I have it right there, so I'm gonna give you like a little bit of tutorial of it. So yep, there it is. And once you see all of this, you can translate it to Switzerland, German, Italy. I have clients that are doing Italy right now, bro, and they're just absolutely blowing off. It's so crazy, bro. It's really cool. All right, so all you want to do here is copy link it. As you can see, it's copied. Now you want to do is go to claudie. Now once you go here in the claudie, all you just want to do is just copy and paste. So now that I typed it in, now it's just gonna generate the script, and I will just get back to you guys. Okay, now that I have the script right here, as you can see right here, all you want to do is copy all this, and then you could use either CapCut, or you can even use 11 Labs. It could either be any kind of voiceover that you can even use. It could be 11 Labs, CapCut. The one I personally use is CapCut. There's also a one free text to speech, I think. So this is a free text to speech voiceover. I don't think CapCut is free anymore. It used to be free, but not anymore. But I'll put this link on the bio, honestly. I'm in the description. So that way you guys don't have to, like, you know, switch it up, or you can just switch it up right here. So all you want to do is find a voiceover we like right here. Also, there's like different kind of voices over as well. You can speed up the pitch, you can do volume, pitch, any kinds of sort of things you guys want to do. All languages, there's like so many on here on the free ones. I personally like to use is English, America. There you go, United States. There you go. I personally use Andrew. That's the one I use, and then you just, yeah, you know, you just copy link it, stuff like that, and then you just do more and more and more. The only thing that's the problem about it is that I needed over 2,000 words, so like it might be like step up, like you're gonna have to download each by each, so it doesn't really matter, but trust me, it'll be worth it. And CapCut over here, you could just do copy link it. The max right here is already reached, so I'm gonna just put right there. So hold on. All right, besides that, you have the transcript right here, so I'm gonna give you a good example. The one I personally use the most is, what's his name? Glenn. We all use Glenn. My friend used Glenn. I'm not lying. My friend used Glenn. Everyone used Glenn. You can use different ones. It's honestly up to you. And all you're going to do is just generate it. Now we wait until this is generated. It might be about like around 5 to 10 minutes. I don't know. But as long as if it's like, you know, 5 to 10 minutes or, you know, kind of a bit short. And here's a fun fact, by the way. If you're doing long forms, please do me a favor. Do the videos at least 5 minutes each one so that we can get monetized. And once you get monetized, you eventually just pull off, alright? Once you monetize, make longer videos. Because if you're gonna start off doing some short videos, I mean, yeah, of course you could get watch time and stuff like that. But if you do like 3 times a post on shorts, like completely shorts from like 3 minutes or 5 minutes on the long form niche, you eventually pull off more results than you ever expected. So let's say you're making about 15 videos per day. We'll just guess how much the watch time views do eventually just pop off, and the subscribers as well. You will be growing brick by brick. It doesn't matter if it will be like 63 views by each 3 videos. You will eventually just have more views than you ever expected. So like 63 times 3 is like, I don't even know, like 100. And if you keep posting, you get like around 100k per month. So that's absolutely brilliant, bro. If you could post like at least 5 minutes a day, because many people have telling me that, oh, you gotta post like 10 minutes from each video. No, man, you just gotta post about like 5 minutes from long forms, man. That's all you gotta do from easy step to be growing too much. So that's a cool fact about it. So just keep aware about it. Okay, so now I have the voiceover about it. All you want to do is just download. So you see right there, it's 10 minutes. It's perfectly fine. It's perfectly good. And you're gonna go to, you know, pick files, stuff like that. So I do a file right here, so I put voiceover. And the other thing that will get copyrighted by me, so me personally, I can't really expose this real quick, but I use CapCut. I can't really show you guys how I edit this or stuff like that, because it will get copyright and it will just determine my YouTube channel. So now I have the voiceover. Now with that voiceover, you can find images, find your competitors. You gotta find different type of videos that are in the same niche. You get the videos and make it from each 8 seconds. So like, let's say you get a photo, original photo from the trailer, then you go for your competitors. You find the video from the competitors, you take 8 seconds of it, you put it in the clip, another one, you put in a photo, and it just repeats again and again and again. If you guys want to learn more about this, you guys are welcome, man. Go on my link in my bio on my my description, and yeah, we could work together one-on-one, and we can make long things away, and just, yeah, we just get started like right on, man. So if you guys are interested about this, it's really simple. Doing this long form, I've been doing it for like 4 months already, 3 months already, and I just been blowing up. I have one channel that is monetized so far, and trust me, if you be consistent and disciplined about it, you eventually see more results, more everything. As long as if your videos are actually good enough, because a lot of people are really picky about AI. So be right about it, all right? Because a lot of people is actually kind of AI is growing, because a lot of people are just hating AI, honestly. So a lot of people hate AI, but we work with AI. So, and at the end, by the end of this week, bro, we're gonna have AI jobs from McDonald's and stuff like that, and we're just gonna pick up garbage from the ocean. I don't know why, bro. I keep seeing these videos where I see like, yo, fuck AI, and I see this garbage, nature, ocean. I'm like, dude, if AI takes your job, then why not just clean the ocean and just do this? Like, I don't get it. I mean, personally, it's not for everyone, but like, dude, what the fuck? But yeah, anyways, if you guys are interested in more about this, you guys are welcome, man. If you guys are not interested in it, then that's fine. We can continue on with this. Please like and sub, and yeah, we can get along together, and yeah, we can get started.